Hi everyone, this is Debono of the Fortune Teller Shop, and I'm going to do a Roman bird oracle reading about Donald Trump and the Epstein files. What's going to happen in 2026? So I'm just selecting 4 random cards and putting them in the corners of the frame. The first card will represent Donald Trump and his hopes and wishes. As you can see, he got the hawk, and the hawk is flying out of the frame towards the right. It looks like he's trying to escape and get out of the picture, literally. The next card is the owl, and it is looking towards the left. The left side of the frame represents negative. So left in Roman bird divination, the left side is negative, the right side is positive. So it's looking towards the left. Now an owl represents hidden things, secrets, knowledge, seeing through the dark. So to me, this is saying that Donald Trump knows secrets, knows things that are hidden from the public. Now let's look at the left side cards, and we have the pigeon pair. Pigeon pair represents support. So it looks like even though many people want the Epstein files to be released without redactions, he still has a lot of support in high places. The pigeon pair is up high up in the sky. Now the last bird is the canary. Now the canary is facing right. So although he has the support from people in high places with the pigeon pair, the canary looks like a whistleblower. Canaries are known for singing a song. So it looks like something is going to come to the public's attention. Someone's going to sing, even though it looks like he has strong support. On top of that, this is Debono of the Fortune Teller Shop, and these are the Roman bird oracle cards.